Hey guys, it's Mike here. Welcome to Autoblog. In today's video, we're taking a look at the all-new 2017 Ford F350 Super Duty. The truck behind me here is sold, so won't be able to do a full in-depth review today, driving and so on, but we're going to take a look at what's new with the Super Duty. It's 350 pounds lighter, full aluminum body, and much more. Let's take a look at the 2017 Ford F350. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little shorter. We're going to do a walk around and just show you the new exterior features and interior features of the all-new Ford Super Duty. At a later time I'll do a full in-depth review and go through every little option and feature and that the new Super Duty has. But today we're taking a look at a race red F350. And let's start with the front fascia here. See, everything is brand new on this truck. The grille, the lights, LED headlights, and fog lights, although the fog lights aren't on right now. Obviously tow hooks up front here. And this truck we're looking at today is the 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel. Same amount of horsepower as before, it's 440, but the torque has been up to 925 pound-feet of torque. Massive amount of torque in this Super Duty, and that is class leading. As we walk around here, it is a super cab, it's not a full crew cab. And we have the new wheels, which are 20-inch, sitting on 275/65 Michelin tires. Powerstroke badging and F350 Lariat badging to the side here. Side mirrors, now you have a Ford lettering right there. And while we're here, we'll take a look at the sticker. Well, the option has the FX4 rope off-road package. A whole bunch of different features. We'll take a look at that when we get inside. It's stickered at $63,740. And move along to the rear fascia of the truck here. New taillights. The truck pretty much looks completely different from the previous generation, and it is a very, very nice redesign in my opinion. So big 3-inch hitch right here. Backup camera. 8-foot bed. Spray and liner from the factory. And as a comparison, we'll walk around another F350. This one being a dually versus single rear wheel like the one that we're doing the quick review of. This one is also a crew cab, 8-foot bed, and in the color platinum white. Same 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel. Open it up and check it out. Otherwise the same, except for it being a crew cab and the color of interior. So this is the ebony black interior versus the light camel leather interior in the red one. So let's jump inside and take a look. That's the light camel interior. Suicide door opening for the Super Cab. Like I said, this truck is brand new. It's going to be delivered to a customer here, so we're just taking a quick look at it. It hasn't even been through the pre-delivery inspection phase yet. Got full power plug back here. And when you jump inside a new Super Duty, what you see right away is that it is basically an F-150 interior. It looks just like an F-150, and that is a good thing in my opinion. Start with the door here. So we have light interior, or two-tone interior. Soft leather right here. This is just like an F-150. The power window buttons, memory settings being a Lariat. No running boards on this one here, so we'll have to jump inside. Before we do that, take a look at the key, switchblade key, lock, unlock, remote start on this one as well, and then your panic button. Let's grab the handle here. And jump inside. Let's start it up. Still in transport mode. So it has the 8-inch productivity screen that you get with the higher trim level F-150s. Turn the fan down a little bit here. And basically what we have here, we'll do a quick little run through here. You have all your trip information, truck info, everything that you'll need for a Super Duty truck. Tire pressure, diesel exhaust fluid gauge being a Powerstroke diesel, towing, and so on. Steering wheel, same as the F-150 as well. Very nice to the feel. Exactly the steering wheel that I have in my 2015 F-150. Voice control buttons here, and your volume controls, and so on. Moving along over here, we have Sync 3. Equipped with navigation, full 9 yards. I have several videos regarding Sync 3, and also available with Apple CarPlay now and Android Auto. Move down here. I feel like I keep repeating myself, but it is just like an F-150. 2 USB ports down here. Cooled seats, heated seats. Full power plug right here. Super Duty badging right there. Now the upfitter switches have for this new generation been moved to right up here, and then you have your power sliding rear window button. And this F350 here has the 40-20-40 console, which is my favorite. A lot of storage space. Shift on the fly here, 2 high, 4 low. Pull it out for the locking rear diff. Trailer brake controller right here. light switches, power pedals. So yeah, like I said, guys, this is a very quick look at the all-new F-350 Super Duty from Ford. This truck is sold. I can't drive it or anything like that. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look so you can get an idea of what's new with the all-new Super Duty. In the future here, I will do a full in-depth review of either a F-250 or a 350. So let me know what you think of this quick little tour here of the new F-350. In the comment section below. And if this is your first time visiting the channel and you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.